Hello, today we will resize the root partition without logical volume manager and will extend of the EXT4 file system as well. I have highlighted 4 items that need to be done in this lab. In the first step we will expand the physical disk by 5 GB. In the second step we will create file 1.txt in temp directory. In the third step we will resize partition to maximum size, in my case it's SDA, and finally extend file system EXT4. For this lab you need a computer or laptop with more than 4 GB of RAM, VirtualBox or VMware workstation, virtual environment, and Ubuntu virtual machine. Okay, now is 20 GB. Let's extend hard disk by 5 GB. Expand. The disk have expanded by 5 GB. Let's start the virtual machine. I would like to warn you right away, when doing operation with hard disk, any operation to expand disk, to expand partition, shrink the partition, you must have a backup. Let's observe which size do we have. I use command fdisk -l. Disk SDA we expanded by 25 GB. We have to expand dev SDA 2. Why? Because root mount to dev SDA 2 and it has 20 GB. Let's see. lsblk command 20 GB mount to root. For extending SDA 2 part I use command fdisk or gdisk for GPT, gdisk dev SDA. Let's print. Let's delete markup to second SDA to partition. Let's create new second. It's mean first sector for second partition SDA2 by default, and the last sector by default. Set type of partition is Linux. Let's see which has, but we have standard markup. We use Linux 8300. Press T. 830. Quit. Enter by default. Let's print. As you can see, we have 25 GB partition SDA2. For write these changes, press W if you be aware you did all properly. Do you want to proceed? Final check complete about write GPT data. This will overwrite existing partition. Now we need to expand file system. As you can see, it has 20 GB. Let's reboot system. I rebooted because my kernel had to see changes in our partition size. Now kernel see 25 GB and last command resize to fs dev SDA2. Now let's see again, and our file system has 25 GB mount to root. Please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.